Hi guys, DANS Dollars here. A very good evening to you all. Here we go then. We are back with the results of Guess DANS coins. There was 5 coins up for guessing in this weekend special. And without further ado, let's have a little look at those coins. Could tonight be the night that someone has managed to guess 5 points? I'm sure we'll find out in a moment's time. So again, a quick recap on the coins. They're all Beatrix Potters, and the first 3 were all from 2016. The first coin then was the first release for circulation, the Beatrix Potter Anniversary. The second coin, it's the Miss Tiggerwinkle, and the third coin is the first of 3 Peter Rabbits to be released for circulation. It's the Peter Rabbit Full Face Half Whisker. Coin number 4 is from 2017. It's the Mr. Jeremy Fisher, and we finish off with the TOG. It is indeed the infamous, it's the Tailor of Gloucester. Some of you are probably thinking to yourself, I've done well here. Some of you are probably, oh no, how many points has everyone else got? We're going to find out right now with the leaderboard presentation. Again, this is the daily leaderboard. We've got Curtis McElroy, Alan Jenkins and Dylan, 64 gaming, all scoring that 1 point. Martin Dack is on 2. Andy Vickers, Ian Strudwick and Smithy on 3. But there's plenty more scoring 3 as well. We've got Kenneth and also Terence Day, Norman Graham and Squirreling Coins. Someone managed to get 4. It was Kerry, and unbelievably everyone, Yellow Lighthouse has gone and done it. All 5 correct. I think we do have to give a round of applause here. Yellow Lighthouse, unbelievable. A great effort indeed. And I'm sure that is going to send you up that overall leaderboard. As for the overall leaderboard, there are 54 names now on the list, which is so nice to see so many taking part. But as always, we'll just focus in on the top 20. Moving up then in those 20th places, Kenneth on 22 and Kerry on 29. Definitely do keep an eye out for those trying to get into the top 10. Speaking of a man trying to get into the top 10, in 11th we've got Norman Graham, still 3 points behind Andy. That battle though has definitely pushed them closer to that pack there. In the top 10, Andy only 1 point now behind Martin. 8th place we've got Alan Jenkins on 49. Dylan is on 50, Smithy on 51. Yellow Lighthouse, the biggest mover for a long time, up 5 places and joining Ian Strudwick and Curtis McElroy in 3rd place on 52. Terence Day's on 55 and Squirreling Coins has squirreled a little clear at the top there. 57 points, and just like Norman and Andy have been having a battle, Terence and Squirreling Coins have had a little battle, and it has got them clear of Curtis at the moment. Again, a huge shout out and a thank you to everyone that's been playing along. Please do comment in the comments there how many coins you would like to see in the next round, and that round will be up at 9 o'clock in the morning. Again though, today belongs to Yellow Lighthouse. A huge shout out and a well done to you. It definitely is not very often we see maximum points scored. 5, unbelievable, really is unbelievable. And let's see if you can get any closer to the top in the next round. Again, thank you all so much. Stay safe, and as always, guys, thanks for watching.